Hi, Marty McGee here with McGee Home Construction. Today we are talking about rain gutters and rain gutter installation. As you can see, Pat McGee is in full force here. He's got these wood scaffolds that we can get to by ladders, and he's also got these gutter bracing set up, as you can see near the ridge of the roof, so that we can just set these very long metal rain gutters up on those bracings and nail them down. Now down here, we've got it set up so that I can use a metal saw to cut off this extra flap here. We need to slice down this line using a metal saw with a bunch of blades. It's going to take about two blades, a blade and a half per rain gutter here. So we've got all our tools set up, our safety gear, and we're going to do some metal sawing on metal and put these rain gutters up on this ridge here, nail them down, and hope that the rain doesn't hit us before we can get this stuff done. All right, let's get to work. So once you successfully trim that extra piece of metal off of that rain gutter, we can get those up on the scaffold and climb the ladder and put those on those braces there. And we can nail these rain gutters down with the use of these corner brackets here. And a little bit more on that later. As you can see, Pat McGee's already got 29 feet of, actually 39 linear feet of a 350 linear feet perimeter that needs to happen for these rain gutters. More on that later. Absolutely. Marty McGee, McGee Home Construction, rain gutters installation, company juice.